Ashley, can you sit down? That's fine. Just don't. I'm begging you, do not use the restroom. Okay. What did you smoke?
I smoked blunts with her, like this one girl. She's like, normal blood. I thought we were in there. Yeah, we smoked hella meth.
Are you super high right now? Because you look super high right now.
I got the final Seth Rogen. He was later to kill me because I was at other
Seth Rogen?
Yes.
Like the Seth Rogen?
Killed me. I swear he was at the. He was in Peru. You know what I mean?
Seth Rogen was in Peru?
Yeah.
What we're working with right now, we have medics on the way. I mean, she's obviously very under the influence. I can't make out half of what she's saying.
There they are. He's like, the paramedic, hurry. Your partner's gonna give you something.
Hello, Ashley.
Hey.
Oh, they know her. I've never met her.
Doing good.
How are you doing?
Feeling pretty gone.
Let me ask you a silly question. Do you know who the president is right now?
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
It's Benjamin. Like, it's $1 for every patient. You know, see my daddy.
What year is it?
Last year, I was
So she said it was 1994.
Okay.
She said her friend was the president, but she was the president.
Ashley, we're gonna get you going to the hospital. Is that okay?
So I wouldn't even say she's being non-compliant. I think she was just very, very high, and we just had to work through that to get where we needed to get to. So hopefully she gets some out, but we'll probably end up seeing her again sometime.
All right, let's go back to Spotsylvania, back to Deputy Tristan Burnett, who's now moved on and is involved in possibly a traffic stop, trying to pull over a vehicle there for erratic driving.
Alright, we're gonna be stopped in the nights in the parking lot now. Hey, stop moving! Roll the window down. Why are you doing all that, dog? When I light you up back there, that means you stop.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm in the middle of the street. I'm not gonna.
We have. I lit you up before we even got to the bar right there. Okay.
Listen, bro, I understand.
Hang tight. Let me talk to
I'm not gonna be in the middle of the street.
you. But you can pull into the parking lots. I'm not gonna light you up in that. No, you weren't. I lit you up before the Legends. All right. You can pull into right there. That's the only thing. Okay. What are you digging around for in here?
Get my ID.
Okay. You got your ID on you? Okay. Go ahead. Where are you trying to head to, man?
I should come right here to my room.
Do you live in the Nights Inn? Okay. Okay, you're staying here right now? I got you. Where are you from originally?